and we all get lost. When the colors fade away and the darkness rises up and bursts, desperately we're searching for a place we can call home. And we all cross the ocean wide until we get the sense of our ride. And can somebody tell me who I am? Will I ever learn to live my dreams? Will I be in harmony with the river deep? It's underneath my skin. And can somebody tell me who we are? We're strayed from this path, it's much too far. Will we ever see the flowers growing in a yard? There were times when our hearts were nearly full of disbelief. We threw our yearning wishes in the wind and insistently hoped that some would be granted. But at the end of our journey, we finally made the discovery